Hey friends, welcome back to another tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to record your screen with Google Vids. So once you inside google.com, click the apps on the upper right, then from here scroll down in the list and you'll find Vids. Click on that. And so you'll see a pop-up right away, record your screen. You can choose this option, or if it's closed, you can also find a record on the right hand side as well. So you click on that, and from here you can choose include your camera, or you can just say screen only. I'm gonna just say screen, and then you can choose the screens that you want to choose, right? You can keep it in current screen or you can choose other screens. Then you click and record, and it will just basically apply or let's say allow your audio. You can choose in that. And then you can choose the window. Here it says the Chrome tab. You can choose a window or you can choose the entire screen. I'm gonna choose the entire screen for the purpose of this tutorial. Choose this one here and then click and share, and you will see right away that it starts, right? So right here you will see that it's ready and it's actually starting to basically share, and I can now choose to hit the start record button, and within 3 2 1 it's gonna go ahead and start to record my screen. Now that's it guys. So this is how you can quickly record your screen. Once you finish, hit the stop button with it either on the right hand side or in the middle, and this is the video. As you can see that the video is recorded, and from here you can now insert the video. You can preview the video. As you can see, this is what we have here, and I can click on insert, and it's going to insert right here into the clip, and I can just play it back. See, that's the video that I just recorded my screen, and that's it. So you have it recorded. Now you can go ahead and you can share it, you can play with it, you can edit it, you can do so much with this guys. And yeah, that's how you record your screen with Google Vids.